poked it around. Palat stripped to the puck. Pass out to center for MacKinnon. He's flitting through the defense. He's in the back end. Nathan MacKinnon. And it's a 1-1 hockey game.
Good hockey ability, great backhand, but this is speed. Mike, he's coming down. He thinks that the defenseman's going to come across. Garrison's going to come across. So he puts the arm out and realizes that Garrison has given it because of the speed. Garrison's just keeping the middle. And he just throws it past the goaltender on the far side of the Avalanche. Mike, get back into this game. This line has been so good recently for the Avalanche.
Brave carried in by O'Reilly, cuts across, he shoots, blocked by Garrison. Lob back to the point. Get it, lines it across for Barry. O'Reilly shoots, goal! Nathan MacKinnon, his second goal of the game.
Great pass across to Barry. Look at that, Mike. That is so sweet by Tyson Barrie. As he's coming back, you see O'Reilly, Mike, turning in the corner. O'Reilly does a great job to get open, but Barrie in one motion, Mike throws a 50-60 foot pass across to a guy that's wide open, and MacKinnon tips it home. But Stamkos was there. The Avalanche defense was going to stick back on him.
Here's a breakaway from MacKinnon. Hat trick for Nathan MacKinnon.
Nice pass across, and now Mike, talk about scoring any which way you want. One the backhand, two a tip, now a forehand, and he just rifles this one short side. Great shot of that goal right there by Nathan MacKinnon. You saw him look up, and every time now Tampa's made a little push. The Avalanche have come up with a big goal in this hockey game. Nathan MacKinnon, Mike, and wouldn't it be great if this was that linchpin for him to get going?